Hi learners, let's learn present perfect tense. This tense indicates the completion of an action in the present time. The emphasis is on the result or effect of the action on the present. We use the present perfect tense for actions in the past when we are not talking or thinking about the exact time that happened. There may be results now. This tense connects the past with the present in some way. Present perfect tense is a combination of past and present, result of an action in the past which is important in the present. When we use a specific time in the past, example yesterday, then we use the simple past. Let's see the sentences here. I have cleaned my room. Has Peggy ever been to Tokyo? Here it's clear that the action which was performed in past has importance in the present. Recently completed actions. He has just played handball. In this sentence, the action has been completed just now. We have lived in Canada since 1986. In this sentence, we see beginning in the past and still continuing, mostly with since. Present perfect tense signal words. In present perfect tense, we use these words frequently. Here is a workout. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my upcoming video on past perfect tense.